Everyone's heard of blockchain, thanks to Bitcoin, NFTs, and endless buzzwords. But what is it really? Forget the hype and the jargon. In the next few minutes, we'll break down blockchain into something clear, simple, and hype-free, so you'll finally understand what's behind the buzz. At its core, a blockchain is just a special kind of database. But unlike a regular database stored on one computer, it's shared across thousands of computers, called nodes, around the world. The magic? Once information is added, it's almost impossible to change, making it secure and trustworthy. Data is stored in blocks. Each block contains a list of transactions or records, a timestamp, a special digital fingerprint called a hash. That hash links the block to the previous block, forming a chain. Change even one letter in a block, and its hash changes, breaking the chain and alerting everyone that something's off. Because the blockchain lives on thousands of nodes, there's no single point of failure. When a new block is added, the majority of nodes must agree it's valid. This is called consensus. Depending on the blockchain, consensus might come from proof of work, solving complex puzzles, or proof of stake, validators putting up collateral. Yes, cryptocurrencies use blockchain, but it's not just about money. It can track supply chains, secure voting systems, verify digital identities, and even run smart contracts, programs that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Blockchain isn't magic. It's powerful, but it can be slow, energy-hungry, and overhyped. The real value is in situations where trust is an issue, and multiple parties need to share the same, tamper-proof record. So, forget the buzzwords. Blockchain is just a secure, shared database with a clever way to lock in history. Now, when someone drops blockchain in a conversation, you'll know exactly what it means, and when it's just hype. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.